Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about summation. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to put about n square in here. Later that we need to minus about n square. So this one that is about identities. So we put n+1 everything to the power of 2. Next, this one divided by this one, we have number 1. N square divided by n square, we have number 1. And now we have like this. And now in this one we can put like this. So if I put n equals to number 1 go here and here, so we have 1 over 1 square minus 1 over 2 square. Now if I put n equals to number 2 go here and here, so we have 1 over 2 square minus 1 over 3 square, and so on until this one. We can see that this one they cancel. This one they will cancel again with positive 1 plus 1 over 3 square in here. So that means this one you got number 0, but n approach to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0 in the limit. So that means everything in here equals to number 0, and the final answer that is about this value in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.